Hey guys, it's Darius Tech Guy again, and welcome back to another video. I know, 2 videos in like 2 weeks. Who do I think I am? Some sort of real YouTuber? Without further ado, let's get into this video. This is the 2018 iPad with Apple Pencil support. Also, yeah, so I'm thinking of going paperless for this semester coming up, for my last semester of senior year. So I figured, why not, just pull the trigger. I should have done this 4 years ago when I started, so I wouldn't have so many books all over the place. But what you gonna do, huh? So let's get right into this video. I should probably invest in an unboxing knife, huh? If anyone wants to donate me an unboxing knife, please do. There's plastic. Here it is. Okay. Give it a second. There we go. That's my first 9.7-inch iPad. The last one I had was the mini here. And this is the 2018 version. So yeah, we'll put that aside. Documentation. I'm pretty sure Apple stickers are in here, as they usually are since the beginning of time. So yeah, they're there. Here's the Apple stickers that nobody ever puts on anything. Remember, they used to be all over the place, like when you were like in middle school, people would like put them on their books and stuff, like, oh look, my mom got an Apple product, but I'm gonna say it's mine. Also, here is the brick. I finally have another one of these. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, tech specs, blah blah blah. 12 watts. It is 12 watts. I'm not sure you can see that because there's a lot of glare right now on this camera and the light. Also, the lightning cable. The iPad Pro is USB-C, but... And that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.